Okay, seniors, welcome to the first week of English 12. This is going to be a fun year, and I hope you watched my video from the orientation. But if not, I just want to let you know that I've taught here this will be my 7th year. I've taught seniors, and I just love working with seniors, helping you to get to graduation, talking about your future plans, and it's just a really fun time of life that I love being a part of. So I'm really looking forward to this year. We're going to start out, and I'm going to just kind of go over some of the things that are in this course. Here's my contact information, and this year we've added this screencast button, so if you ever need to make a video, which we will, you can just easily push this button and start recording yourself. So this week we are going to start with signing up for a Get to Know You Hangout. That will be due October 12th, but I want you to just sign up this week. The first appointment isn't until next week, but just sign up, and it'll be in your Google Calendar, and that should remind you. Make sure you write it down or do whatever it takes to remind yourself to make it to the appointment. This is just our chance to meet together in a Google video hangout, so I can see your face, talk to you, get to know you. You can ask any questions that you have. It's just very informal. This will be the first of many times that we can meet together, so this is just be a good icebreaker, and we can get to know each other. If you have any questions about that, if the times that I have listed don't work for you, just let me know and we can find another time. I have lots of time, but get it done early. Don't wait for the last minute. I know it's not due until October 12th, but it would be best if you just did it sooner rather than later. That way I can answer your questions, and we can make sure that there's a spot available for you. I just want you to make sure that each week you go through all of the resources and check them off on the side. I have some advice from former English 12 students. Here's a chance for you to introduce yourself in a Get to Know You forum. This is where you can meet the other students in our class. You're going to take the STAR reading exam every quarter. That's a new requirement, so just get it done. It should only take about 20 minutes. Here's a survey I'd like you to fill out. This will help me get to know you as well, and let me know if you have a nickname or anything I need to know about you. Just type it into that survey. You're going to read and sign the course syllabus here. Watch this video on how to succeed in English 12, and take this goal writing assessment. This is where you'll give me a sample of your writing, so I can see where you are as far as writing at this point in your high school career. If you have any questions, you can post it on this forum here. And for extra credit, add me as a contact in Google Hangouts. If we're already connected from previous classes, you can still get the extra credit. Just send me a chat and say, hey, we're already contacts in Google Hangouts, and just say hi, and you can get extra credit. So first week is pretty simple. Remember, the whole course is open from weeks 1 through weeks 10, so you can work ahead. And one thing I wanted to show you, if I have it, sorry. Okay, actually I don't have it right here, but I want you to make sure you have The Merchant of Venice, a hard copy of it. It's a green book. You'll be reading that. You can start this week in week 1 and work ahead into week 2 if you want. Make sure you're reading the hard copy and looking at the annotations on the left side of the book, because that will give you lots of explanations, and you are going to be quizzed on some of those. It'll be open book, but you need to have that book. So we'll do a lot online reading, but you also need to have the hard copy of A Merchant of Venice and A Tale of Two Cities for quarter 2. If you don't have that, let me know, and we can make sure you can get those. Okay, sorry that was a little bit long, but make sure each week you watch these intros. I'll try to make them shorter in the future, but this is where you can get some useful information. So I look forward to working with you.